the world of beneficial botanicals, the combination of saffron and flaxseed yields a blend brimming with advantages for your well-being. Saffron, that golden strand plucked meticulously from the crocus flower, serves as a powerhouse of antioxidants and mood-enhancing elements. It often stars in age-old recipes for tranquility and emotional balance. Flaxseed, by contrast, is a humble, nutty wonder abundant in omega-3 fatty acids, instrumental in heart wellness. It also stocks up on fiber, making your digestive journey smoother. Unite these two, and you've got an eclectic blend that bolsters both mental and physical health. In essence, the duo serves as a panacea for a range of minor and major maladies, from elevating your spirits to shielding your ticker. A melange worth exploring, don't you think? Ingredients: saffron, flaxseed. Drink 1 glass before bed, but do not forget about contraindications. Be sure to consult your doctor before use.